Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to fade audio in and out using Davinci Resolve 18. So let's jump right in. Firstly, ensure you have your audio track ready. This could be a standalone audio track or one connected to a video track. Place your cursor at the end of the audio track. Closer look. Navigate to the Effects tab, make sure you're under Audio Transitions, and click on Crossfade -3 decibels. Drag it onto the end of your audio clip. Now, you have the flexibility to elongate or shorten the fade out. Let's play it to see the effect. To fade audio in, go back to the beginning of your clip. And under Audio Transitions, click and drag Crossfade +3 decibels onto the start of the audio clip. Similar to the fade out, you can adjust the duration of the fade in. Let's elongate it a bit and see how it sounds. And there you have it. Fading audio in and out in Davinci Resolve 18 is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.